YouTube? Frugal Audiophile here. Got a pretty cool unboxing for you today. This is not by any means a new product, but it's one that I've been anxious to get my hands on. So I will go ahead and start unboxing it, talk a little bit about it. Okay, there we go. Got this nice handy dandy unboxing pocket knife here. All right, and I was hoping this would be the case. They are inside this box in two separate boxes. So I'm gonna put one aside. I'm going to take one out, put it just off right here. Get rid of the whole box. All right. So pause the video. Any guesses as to what this might be? Maybe you can tell now already. I'm not sure. Get in behind the tape. I like to use a combination of tearing and cutting to get things open. Okay? Given the nature of my channel, I'm sure you have some good guesses as to what this might be. So now you're probably thinking, it's gotta be a speaker. That'd be right, it is a speaker. Nice, they actually use Kaizen foam. Well, I don't know if it's full on Kaizen foam, but it's definitely better than the crumbly stuff that you find in. And the speaker is covered in a nice bag, cloth bag here. So I'm gonna pull this out, throw this aside. Oh, let's see if anything else is in here. Documentation, throw that away. More foam padding. Oh, nice, and some feet too. These are always handy to have. All right, chuck that out of the way. Here it is. Ta-da! An NHT Super Zero 2.1. Boy, that thing is heavy. And look at that gloss. I should probably be wearing white gloves to do this. So let's just take a tour around it. This is a sealed speaker, as you can see there. Just standard silk dome tweeter. I believe it's a 3/4 inch, and then your 4-inch polypropylene cone woofer. Now they have these little dents in it. I think that's supposed to, right there, if you can see that, it's supposed to help with cone breakup. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm really anxious to listen to these speakers. I've heard such great things about them, and I want to give them a whirl. So that's probably gonna do it for the unboxing video. Stay tuned for a review of this product. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing to my channel and also subscribing to my Patreon. Link in the description. Thank you for watching.